Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss atomic mass unit, atomic mass, and the relative atomic mass. So the atomic mass unit, it needs to understand. Actually, it is used to determine the relative atomic mass, and the relative atomic mass is compared. It is the comparison of the mass of an atom to the 12th of carbon 12. 12th of carbon 12. Clear? Which is exactly 1. Like for example, 12th of carbon 12 is like this. So it will get cancelled and then result will be 1. This is carbon 12 and this is 12th of carbon 12. Let me define a unit of mass used to express atomic weight and molecular weight. That is called which is equal to 12th of carbon 12. For example, we have uh, a carbon. This is the carbon. We are dividing it in equal 12 parts. So each part will be equal to 1/12. Yes, this is 1 unit, and each part of which are divided into 12 parts, and each part is 1/12. So the 12th of carbon 12th will be, each one will get a single unit now. So it is the word atomic mass unit. It is atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. It is a single entity. Now we can compare the other atomic masses with this one atomic mass unit. Clear? Like for example, I say oxygen what it is 16, which means which means that oxygen atom is 16 times heavier than 12th of carbon 12. Sometimes the students, they are getting confused over here. Don't be confused. This is the single unit. Like it was considered to be hydrogen for the first time, right? Before the carbon was taken as a standard, hydrogen was the standard. And with the standard, we are comparing the things. Clear? So it was actually 1.008. Even then, it was not. What exactly 1. That's why instead of hydrogen atomic, then it was taken carbon 12. So many reasons are there that carbon is taken as a standard for the relative atomic mass. Clear? One of the reason was that it is abundant in nature. It is abundant in nature. In nature means it is greater in amount in nature. It is found in greater amount, carbon 12. Why not the carbon 13 and 14 was taken? So it is because the carbon 12 is more stable. It is more stable. Its nucleus is stable. And thirdly, most of the compounds, they are made up of, makes lots of compounds. So many other reasons are also there but these three are enough for you to answer a question. A question would be like, why hydrogen carbon 12 is taken as a standard? If you have get the atomic mass unit, then we will go to the relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is easy. Clear? If you understand the atomic mass unit, we are coming towards the relative atomic mass. Relative atomic mass is the mass of an atom. Mass of an atom of any element. Of any element. Of any element compared with 12th of the carbon 12. Like for example, we have three isotopes of carbon. So we are taking carbon 12 for the three reasons which I discussed just before. Now, comparing this means that, for example, we have one unit, like one atomic mass unit, which is the outcome of the 12th of the carbon 12. Clear? So if we have a scale, and this, the pen of this is pen A and this is pen B. Over here we have chlorine, or like I have taken example of oxygen 16. So how many units of atomic mass unit, how many AMU we will take here? So obviously we will be taking 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly, if we will compare uh, calcium 40, so the calcium 40 will be compared in this way, like this is upon A and this is the upon B of the scale. So if you are taking calcium 40, so on this side the atomic mass unit 1 will be placed how many? They will be 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and this way, which cannot be drawn here, but the 40 atomic mass unit will be placed on the other side. This is the comparison. It is not done practically. I am just telling you. For example, if you will take calcium, one atom and one pen, so and in the other pen we will put how many? 40 atomic mass unit. Atomic mass units. Clear? The mass of an atom, generally in your books, both in A level and matrix system, the definition is that the mass of an atom compared with the carbon 12. But the actual definition is the mass of an atom of any element compared with the 12th of the carbon 12. And I told you the three reasons why we are taking carbon as a standard to compare the other things with it. Over here a question arises And that question would be the question: why atomic mass unit, atomic mass, relative atomic mass is taken? So the answer is because the atom is so small, atom is so small that it cannot be measured with measured in grams. So it is compared with what? So it is compared with the standard atomic mass unit, which is 12th of the carbon 12. Clear? So it can be a kind of question, can be asked. The things comes in the mind. Clear? So I hope you might have get this topic well, and bas. Okay, beta. Thank you so much, and Allah Hafiz.